Hello everyone, my name is Khan and welcome to the new video. In this video we are going to learn that how we can identify high probability order block and how we can trade based on session timing, and main thing is that how we can trade in a lower time frame execution, which is very important for you because if you are finding valid order block, but some people don't know exactly when they should buy or sell in a lower time frame and what criteria you should follow before to buy and sell. Now let's switch into the real chart and then I will show you exactly that how you can trade. First of all, this is a 1 minute chart and now I'm going to show you in a 1 hour or 15-minute chart. You can use any time frame, it's depend on you. Personally, I use most of the time I use 15 minute as a higher time frame and 1 minute for the entry, and also I use sometime 1 hour as a higher time frame and 5 minutes for the entry. So in this video I will explain all these things in a detail. First of all, we need to switch here in a higher time frame, in a 15-minute time frame, okay, and you can trade based on structure and you can trade based on session timing as well as this is our 15-minute chart. As you can see, market momentum is completely bearish. First of all, you need to mark your structure. In this case, you can see where is our lower low. I'm starting from bottom of this top of this move. This is our previous main low because market momentum is completely bearish. Everything is a bearish and everything pushing a downside. Okay, so when market taken out the inducement, market create lower lows, right? If you can see, this is our previous lower low. Why? Because market taken out the inducement at this point. Same thing happen here. This is our previous inducement. Okay, when market taken out the inducement, our lower low is a confirm here. And when our break of structure confirm, and where is our lower high? When market break this low, means our previous low is a broken here. This one is a called break of structure. When market break the previous low, this one is a called break of structure, as you know, right? This is a break of structure and this one is also a break of structure is here, right? So basically this is a move something like this. Where is our lower high? Lower high only confirm when market break this structure, close below it. This point become our lower high, right? And this point also become our lower high because this is our highest point after this break of structure. Okay, and same thing happen here. In the next move, market push downside and create new lower low at this point here. When market taken out the inducement, our lower low is a confirm here. In this case, where is our inducement? Let's check here. In this case, you can see first pullback is our called inducement. In this leg, this is our first pullback. This is a minor, right? And you can use minor, measure, anything. And what is difference between minor, measure? Simple. Which create small move, that's called minor, and which create larger move, that's called a measure move, right? Measure inducement, you can say. Okay, so there is no big difference, and also you can use both inducement to marking any higher high, lower lows, right? So this is our structure. After taking out the inducement, what happened here and here also? You have to wait for it, okay? After taking out the inducement, you have to wait for it to mitigate your recent unmitigated order block or shadow when we can take entry for the buy and sell. In this case, after taking out the inducement, where is our unmitigated order block? Look at this picture here. This is our entire zone. I mean, this is the entire candle, right? You can use this one, but for the refinement purpose, you can use this one, okay? When we can take entry for the sell, right? So this is our area when we can take entry for the sell also. And where is our extreme order block when we can take entry for the sell? In this case, look at this picture very carefully. This is our move, entire move. This is our single leg move. This is a corrective move, and this is our impulsive move, correction, impulse, and again this is what happened. This is impulsive, sorry, corrective, again impulse, right? Because market momentum is a bearish. So in this leg, you have to check where is our unmitigated order block. This order block is already mitigated here because we should start from top of the move. This one is a mitigate here, okay? And again market push downside, and here there is no unmitigated order block. Everything is mitigated here. This one is mitigated by this move, and this one is mitigated here. Everything is mitigated here. In this case, only this order block is mitigated here, unmitigated here, right? That's why market tap here and market gives a momentum to the downside. And why this is order block is tap here and react at this point. Okay, let me show you exactly what is the reason behind it. When you are marking your order block, you have to check that those order block which candle taken out the previous candle high or low, or either if market taken out the previous minor structure high or low, which is act like a high probability order block. In this case, you can see here, this is our previous minor structure. You can see previous structure minor which taken out the liquidity, and this area become high probability zone for the sell. That's why market type here and create a reaction here, and you can sell here. A lot of members already sold in our community, so this area become our high probability. Tap here, you can switch here in a lower time frame, in a 1 minute time frame you can sell here. Same thing happen here in a previous structure. Look at this picture here. This is our inducement. Why this is inducement? Because this is a valid pullback here, because market create a valid pullback at this point. Let me show you exactly here. After taking out the inducement, where is our unmitigated order block? In this case, this one. So this is our after taking out the inducement, market tap on your unmitigated order block, tap here, give reaction in lower time frame, and you can sell here. Also you can sell here when market taken out the inducement at this point, because this one is a liquidity sweep here. When you switch here in a lower time frame, you can sell here in this shadow, and this is our also valid area for the sell, right? And if market came back to the upside to mitigate your unmitigated order block, you can also sell here, right? Actual here, okay? So you can also sell here, but this one is also valid. These two entry are valid for the sell, right? Here you can switch here in a lower time frame and you can sell here, right? And again, same thing happen here. Every time you will see same thing happening. When market taken out the inducement, market must be taken out the liquidity, and then we can enter. Okay, in the next time what happen here, look at this picture here. This is again break of structure happening here. After this break of structure, what happen here? You need inducement. Where is our inducement in this case? Look at this picture here. Same thing happen here. Market push downside, break this one. This one is called break of structure, valid break of structure, and this point become our lower high, because this is our highest point after this break of structure. Again market push downside, and you need to identify where is our inducement. Look at this one. This is an inducement. No, this is a not inducement, right? Because this is not a valid pullback. This is a inside move between this candle high or low. Everything still safe. Okay, so where is our inducement? This point, because this is our valid pullback here, right? And this is the first area when we can take entry here. This is a inducement, and after taking out the inducement we can sell here. Where is our unmitigated order block? Look at this picture here, right? This is the area when price type here, and you can sell here. Also you can sell directly here, and you if you willing to sell directly, you don't need to switch in a lower time frame. Okay, put the sell order here, right? And stop loss just above it, and main target here, which is also fine, almost 7 to 8 hours, right? This one is also a valid entry. If you wanna scale more risk reward, then you should switch in a lower time frame, in a 1 minute time frame. So what is this? This is the area when we can take entry. First of all, you need to check here, this is our valid order block or not. This is a valid order block. Why? Because this shadow taken out the previous candle high, which is here, right? It means this is our hidden supply zone. Means if market mitigate this zone, and you need to switch here in a 1 minute time frame, and definitely you can sell here in a 1 minute time frame. So this is a valid entry for the sell. Let me show you in a 1 minute time frame. So this is a 1 minute time frame. You can see here, this is our previous hidden supply zone. It means if market mitigate this one and then create any various indication, we can enter here, right? So let's see and wait for it to mitigate this line. Okay, so what happened here at this point? As you can see, this line is a mitigate here. It means if market create any bearish indication at this point, we can enter here. Indication means if market create something like this, right? Break this one. What is this? This is a chalk. Okay, and then we need inducement, and we can sell here. This is the first area. Okay, and the next possible area is here. If market push upside and sweep this high at this point and push downside, this is a candle, we can enter here on a next candle open, put the stop loss just above it, and create entry. Okay, and next entry is possible here if market again sweep this high, create any this candle is a sweep here, again push downside, and next candle mitigate here, and this one is a called single candle order block entry. You can also sell here and put the stop loss just above it, right? So at this point right now there is a no sweep here. You have to wait for it, confirm a chalk or sweep entry module right here. Finally market mitigate this line right here, and then what happened here? Look at this one. This is a small move here at this point. You can see a small pullback and again go higher and push downside. It means this is our small pullback, something like this, and break this high and sweep the liquidity. It means we can sell here. We don't need to wait for here inducement, right? Because main thing is a liquidity which is already grabbed here. So we can sell here at this point on a next candle open. Where is our stop loss? Stop loss just high above it, almost 2 pip, right? And this is the first entry when up we can take entry, because higher time frame order block mitigate here. This one is an entire, and this is a refinement. All right, so this is a first entry when up we can take here, show you. And where is our target? Major target is our M15 main low, this one, right? This is our entry and this is our final target. Now let's see what happened next after this one. Okay, market push downside. All right, create direction here at this point and look at this picture here. This one, our previous high right here, right? Now let's see what happened next after this one. Okay, market continue pushing downside and dropping a continue downside move. In a forex.com, I took a next entry here at this point because this liquidity is taken out in a Oanda and FXCM broker. Okay, so in a forex.com there is no sweep here. Personally, I use most of the time Oanda, right? But right now there's a forex.com. I don't know why. Actually, I will show you on Oanda, then you can understand more better that what happened here. Then you can understand easily. This is our Oanda chart. Look at this one right here, and same thing happening here. Look at this picture very carefully. This is the first entry here, sweep here, entry here, and the next entry, this high also sweep here, and we can take another entry here, and these two entry I are taken out. You can see here. Okay, so these are two entry, and this is our main target at this point right here. So these two entry I taken out recently, and you can study these given annotation here. Look at this one, what happening here, right? You can study what happened here exactly. Right. Okay, so this was our two possible entry at this point. Now I'm going to again switch here in a Euro USD on FX. So these two entry I taken out based on a higher time frame PY and lower time frame structure sweep, liquidity sweep, and also you can take entry if market create any single candle order block or anything here. Right now there is no single candle order block create here. Look at this one. If market came back this candle, definitely we can enter here, this one right here. Okay, this one is not mitigate here. If price mitigate this one, and we can also add this position at this point because this create single candle order block which taken out the liquidity, and basically we use single candle order block when price tap on higher time frame PY, right? And same thing happen here at this one when market taken out the inducement mitigate first order block when we can sell here. This is the first entry when we can sell, and here we can take entry for the buy, and this is our next again sell, and this is based on a structure basis also, and also you can see here based on a session timing because Asian and London both are bullish. Then what is the probability? Probability is here that if London and Asian are bullish, then our New York will be bearish. You need to understand one session will be manipulated in a day. If market like Asian is a bullish and London is a bearish, then very highly chances New York also will be a bearish. Okay, one session will be manipulated in a day. Here what happened here? Same thing happened here. This is a Asian session was bullish and London was again bullish because London mitigate your Asian session order block at this point, right? And first entry, this one is a buy, then sell, and again possible buy here at this point on this clear order block, and again sell here because this is our reversal indication because this is our third session in a New York session which is a reversal because these last session was bullish. It means this was a bearish, and also mitigate your unmitigated order block which is our double confirmation for the sell. If you wanna sell here directly, you can definitely sell here and put the stop loss just above it. But if you want to switch in a lower time frame, want a more risk reward, then you can switch here in a 1 minute time frame and you can take entry here, put the stop loss just above it, and main target is here, right? Because this is our main low. Momentum is a bearish, that's why. Okay, so if I switch here in a 1 minute time frame, then look at this one. What happening here? Market mitigate your supply zone at this point, and we need a chalk. Where is our chalk? First pullback is called chalk, this one, right? And this is a very larger chalk here. If market create any different position, then we can take entry here. Let me show you exactly what happening here. Look at this one. This one is our internal structure. It means this is our internal structure right here. This one is called inducement, and create anything here. We can sell here, right? When market broke this low, and you need to put your stop loss on break even. Why you are selling here? Because this is our actually inside move, right? But why we are taking risk? Because if you are looking for sell at this point after this one, then very larger move already went down, right? So we need aggressive entry for the sell. Already higher time frame PY mitigation here. So let's see what happened next after this one and what we can expect here. Look at this picture here. This one is our previous inducement here. Inducement means which taken out the liquidity. Okay, when a lot of people are interested for the buy and sell. If you are looking here, this is an order block, and people are looking here for sell. It means a lot of people are interested here for sell, and they are selling here, putting the stop loss just over it. and then what happened, market grabbed those stop loss and then market pushed downside. In a simple term, you can understand something like this. If market momentum is a bullish and market grab the low, break the low, then you have to think about buy, not sell. People do wrong thing. If market is a bullish and break the low, people are looking for the reversal, and then what happened, market went up. Same thing happened in a bearish market. If market momentum is a bearish, right, if market momentum is a bearish and market break this high, people are looking for the anticipating their market going to the upside. They want to catch the bottom move, right, and they are expecting that market push downside, mitigate this order block, and they are looking for to the upside. But in reality, this is not happening. What happened, if market taken out this inducement and mitigate something here, this is an inducement, and then market type here, give reaction and sell. Why this move happen here? Because people are looking here for sell on this order block. So you have to think about it, right? When market is a bearish, sell after taking out this high. If market momentum is a bullish, right, then always buy after break this low, right? So you need to understand this one. Same thing happened here. Market momentum was bearish here, break this high, and now we are willing to sell here, right? When we can sell here, we can sell here. If market create any single candle order block, we can sell here, right? So let's see what happened next after this one. Okay, there is no single candle order block, just close our bid. So we need more additional confirmation for the sell. This is a minor structure. If broke this one, and we can enter here for the sell, right? So let's see what happened next day and why we are taking multiple position and why we are taking multiple confirmation here. Look at this one. This is a first attempt tap here, and if you are aggressive, sell here, right? So what happened here in this case, sometime what happened, if you are like aggressively sell here, put the stop loss just of it, right, then stop, hit the stop loss. And also if put the stop loss just of it, maybe hit stop loss. Why? Because market can be go higher, sweep this high, right? If sweep this high, we are willing to sell at this point and then put the stop loss. This become our high probability entry for the sell, right? So that's why this is an internal structure. We need multiple confirmation for the sell. This high is taken out. If sweep this high, then we can take enter here. Otherwise, close our bid, then we need this microstructure break and then we can enter for the sell. Okay, so let's see what happened next after this one. Okay, so market break this low. This is a called chalk, right? This is a chalk and this is an internal chalk. If you are selling here, you need to understand this is our at least partial, or you should put your stop loss on a break even point, right? This is a entire internal move between this high and this low, right? So let's see what happened next after this one. Okay, look at this picture here. Break this one, this is a chalk, and where is our inducement? This pullback, technically this pullback, right? This inducement is our valid inducement and you can sell here. So how you can sell here? First one is here. If you can see this candle taking out the liquidity, it means we can take enter here for aggressive entry. Look at this one picture here. On a next candle open, but where is stop loss? Stop loss just high above it, right? This is a stop loss, and at least target this one. Okay, and at least if market, if you wanna holding more position on a major move, something like this, right? This is a major move, and then market break this one, takes small partial, or also you can put your stop loss on a break even point, right? So let's see what happened next here. Market push downside, and also what is this? This one is a called single candle order block, right? It means if market came back to the upside and mitigate this order block here, and then we can sell here. This is one is a called single candle order block, which taken out the liquidity, which taken out the inducement. It means this is our high probability zone for the sell. Again, look at this one. This is sell, stop loss, safe here, and this is a little bit risky, but risk reward will be increased. So I will recommend you put the stop loss just high of it, right? And main target M15 may low, this one right here. Okay, so now let's see what happened next after this one. If mitigate, this one is a valid entry. If not mitigate, which is also fine. So the first entry is mitigate. I mean, first entry is already execute here. Okay, all right. So what happened here? Main low is a broken here. It means this is our actual chalk here. Right, this is our actual chalk. Actual chalk is a broken here, and we need again inducement. Where is inducement? This one. And after taking out the inducement, when we can take enter here this order block, because this one is a taken out the liquidity, right? So we can take enter here, and we need additional confirmation like a single candle order block, then we can enter here. Otherwise you need to wait for it. Okay, so finally market mitigate this one. Okay, and then create single candle order block. This one is a called single candle order block, right? This candle called single candle order block. Why? Because the next candle mitigate this one, right? So we can enter here and put the stop loss just above it and main target here, right? So this is our entry plan as per the higher time frame to lower time frame. Now let's see what happened next after this one. Okay, All right, market pushed downside and continue dropping. Okay, and finally market hit our target point is here. So this is our process when we can take entry higher time frame to lower time frame. Every time you don't need to see a chalk, you don't need to see like a flip. Most of the time you will see market sweep the structure, market sweep the low or high, then you can take entry also based on single candle order block, right? When market create chalk and then create inducement, it's sometime it's take a lot of time to create this type of situation. Okay, when you are looking for the buy and sell, then you need to buy or sell based on candlestick formation. And same thing happen here when market break this low, this one. Okay, this was our based on session and also using high probability order block, combination of the session and order block, right? And you can also use this one like when market break this low. As I mentioned, when market break the low, it means you need to understand that market can be reversed to the upside if market is a bearish. Okay, if market is a bullish, then market taken out the low, it means market are looking for the continuation to the upside. So same thing happen here, break this low, and this was our previous day low. This was our previous day low is here, right? If you can see, let me show you exactly. Look at this one. This is a previous day low happen here. When market break the previous day low, high low also, then which act like a liquidity. Same thing happen here. Previous low is a broken, and this was our internal move. Now I'm going to show you in a 15 minute and 1 minute, 5 minute and 1 minute time frame. Every time frame you can see here. Look at this picture very carefully. Let me show you again in a 15 minute, then I will show you in a 1 minute time frame. This one, what happened here? We are looking for to marking a lower low. When a lower low is confirmed, when market taken out the inducement. So inducement at this point, so we need reversal point. Okay, look at this internal structure here. What happened here exactly? This was internal structure, something like this, push downside and break this high. This move grab the liquidity. It means if market came back this point and we can buy here. So same thing happening here. Look at this one, right? And this one is called hidden demand supply zone. Market type here, mitigate here, and you need to switch here in a 1 minute time frame and create chalk or sweep entry, then we can take entry. And where is our target? At least target this point, because this is our supply zone. And possibly market type here and create a short term move and maybe directly breach. If breached, then we can continue buy till this supply mitigation here, because next PY is here, right? So now I'm going to switch here in a 1 minute time frame to see exactly what happened here. Look at this picture. At this point you can see here same thing happening here. Look this one, right? Market mitigate this one and create a sweep entry module, like previous low is a sweep here. Also this one is a sweep here in a Oanda broker. Actually I use personally Oanda broker. In this fxcm.forex.com is a minor issue, but randomly this watch chart open, that's why I show you, right? So if you know, I shared this setup on a Telegram channel, which is link in description, so you can check. This one is a mitigate here, you can take entry here, and next entry was execute here because the previous candle low is a taken out, right? So I opened these two position here at this point, and then where is our target? Our target was mainly at this point. This one is our high, this is our target. When market type your supply zone, again you need to switch here in a lower time frame. So this is a chalk, we need chalk, inducement, and that's it, sell. Look at this one, same thing happening here. What happening here? Market mitigate your supply zone, and when market supply zone chalk is a broken here, we need inducement. Where is inducement? This high actually, right? And we can sell here after taking out the inducement. So this one is our area when we can sell. Push downside, this one is a called single candle order block. Again break this one, inducement, mitigate this one, again sell, break this low, inducement taken out, mitigate this order block, break this one. So this is a process, and you can sell multiple position here based on higher time frame to lower time frame. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and you will learn that how you can use higher time frame PY and lower time frame entry module. This will definitely help you a lot to understand things. If you are new if you are new, subscribe our YouTube channel and join our free Telegram channel, link in description. I will see you in the next video. Happy trading.